Hello, this is close to the top of mountain Kasayama, mountain on Chichijima Island, which belongs to Ogasawara archipelago. Volcanic islands are very curious. They are growing. So volcanic islands always increasing in size, new islands may appear, and islands will connect with each other and form bigger islands, so they are in a constant process of increasing. And related maybe is a tendency of volcanic ocean flora to go up together with island. Look on this plant. This plant typically grows on the lowlands, but on Ogasawara, Distylium is typical plant of mountain tops. It has small flower buds, which you can see these two styles, which names is originated from. It's covered with very interesting pubescence, a bit similar to pubescence of Elaeagnus and similar plant from Russian olive family. Plant belongs to family Hamamelidaceae, witch hazels. This is very interesting group, which is like in a difference from many witch hazels, has non-showy flowers. So this is a Distylium, which is a plant frequently of lowlands of Asia, but on Ogasawara it goes up together with volcanic islands. And today you see the Pacific Ocean towards Hawaii. Hawaii are not visible from here. It's 5,000 kilometers to it, but you can see where they are located. Again, today is January 8th. Thank you very much.